good example is what we had just this last 48 hours or so, and two and a half days, and it's been really incredible. I want to go over some statistics that are pretty impressive. 91 inches as of yesterday, as of this morning rather, so far in Burlington for the entire season. That's 21.1 inches above normal. And if you remember, I'm sure you do, last year was a really sad year for snowfall in Burlington and the surrounding area. At this point last year, for March 15th, we had only 29.9 inches. And we are already triple that, and we still have ways to go here. We also shattered daily snowfall records for Burlington yesterday and the day before. So pretty incredible, this snowstorm. In fact, Burlington ended up with 30.4 inches, which is the second biggest snowstorm ever recorded. I want to go over a couple other of those totals that are also equally and even more impressive. Altona, 39 inches there. Nashville ended up with 37.7, 38.4 in Richford, and Gabriel's 34.3. Parts of the Adirondacks, including Lake Placid, were over 40 inches, and we had some reports as of this morning in the Green Mountains at around 4,000 feet or so that were over 50 inches. This is what it looks like, and you can see far northern New York. Barbara sent me this photo. This is an alpaca back there, if you can see it, and then a mini horse just trudging their way through that snow. So we are digging out, the animals are digging out. Here's another one, a great example of what your front yards and backyards might look like. This is from Joy and Swanton. Little pup there, making their way through that little tunnel. We're digging out. It's going to take a while, and of course those snowbanks are huge. While you're driving, you can see these snowbanks up on the corners. This is going to reduce your visibility while you're driving around, so please use caution, drive slow, have patience with people, and certainly watch out as you're making those turns. Other than that, actually a nice looking day in Mendon along Route 4. You can see there is a little bit of that sunshine, and our roads have improved drastically, so we can be really thankful for that, and thankful that those mountains did get a little bit more of that snow overnight last night, because those ski resorts really need it. Still probably at least a few flakes flying in those higher elevations of the Green Mountains, maybe even in the Adirondacks as well. But as you saw in Mendon, a little bit of sunshine as well. Off to the west, you're going to find some of that sunshine, which will take over for tomorrow. But off to the east, you can see the remnants of that nor'easter that brought us that snow. And as it continues to spin, that's why we're seeing some of that wraparound snow in those mountain areas, that upslope snow, thanks to a westerly and northwesterly wind. Now in the valleys at 13 miles per hour. So not only is it bringing us that upslope snow, at least a little more of it through the rest of the day, but also a stronger wind is going to make our temperatures feel a lot worse than they actually are. So pretty chilly out there. Only 21 right now in Burlington, 22 degrees in Plattsburgh, some teens in the Northeast Kingdom, and as well as the Adirondacks, and you've got 16 in Montpelier. For this afternoon, just a couple more degrees to go. That sunshine should help us get up into that mid-20 degree mark by around 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. But we're still fighting that northwesterly wind that'll stay around 10 to 15 miles per hour throughout the rest of the day. So it's going to be brisk. At least, again, we are seeing much improvement on our roads. There's that snow, upslope snow, lingering throughout the rest of the day. Green Mountains especially, but also parts of the Adirondacks. Another inch or two or even a little bit more is possible through tonight. Tomorrow, we really start to dry up. We'll have more sunshine by Friday afternoon. A great day to get outside and enjoy St. Patrick's Day, go out to the mountain. Snowmobilers, I think, are really excited, and we're dry all the way through the first half of Saturday. Saturday, originally, we were thinking several more inches of snow thanks to a system that was going to clip us, but I think it will stay for the most part to the south. Central and southern Vermont will likely get a few showers out of that, though. So keep that in mind for the first part of Saturday, but it is warmer, and we're much more dry by Sunday afternoon and Monday. Temperatures back up near 40 by the start of next work week.